Hello friends, welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. And today we are going to learn that how to use format painter of a very useful function given by the Excel. Okay, so today we are going to learn that how to use the format painter in Excel. Okay, let's start. To use this function, what function? Format painter. Okay, you need to write some sentence or write some numeric. Okay, or alphabetical words. Numeric numbers here. Okay, suppose I am writing what is your name, and here I will go write my name is, for example, Rahul. Okay, these two different sentence we have in our screen. Okay, you can see at screen I have written two sentences. First one is what is your name, and second one is my name is Rahul. Suppose what is your name is in this format. Please have a look on my screen. Okay, suppose one sentence is written in the above mentioned format. What is your name? The color is applied here, the background color is also applied here, and in the bottom side I have written another sentence which is in normal format. Okay, if you want to change this normal format with this colored format, then you can do this activity easily in MS Excel. How to do this? You need to use format painter here to change any format of the required sentences. Okay, how to do this? Please see at my screen. All of first select that format from where you need to apply. So I will select this sentence and go to home. Here is the option given by the MS Excel, a small brush. Okay, it is the sign of format painter. Okay, click on it. Okay, now the format painter is activated. Now it will be applied where you paste it or you select it. So I want to change my name is Rahul sentence. Okay, so I have to just click on it. Yeah, now you all can see at my screen my second sentence is also changed just like first sentence. What is your name? And my name is Rahul. These both are changed now. Okay, got it? Okay, I hope you will learn from today's session. And if you like my video, then please subscribe this channel. And I also want to request all of you that please like, comment, and share on my videos. And I will be back with a new subject to all of you. Till the time, bye bye.